I definitely have addiction to these food delivery apps, especially when you have small kids at home, all these Instamart and everything. But Nimesh, tell us about the big block deals this week. What happened there?
Well, Sonia, last week I spoke about large blocks, and we thought, that was big. This week was even bigger. Already $1 billion block was done this week itself. And if you just look at the list of names, like CMS Info, 21% of the company's equity got sold in a single day. Bearings Private Equity sold a large chunk. This is the second tranche that they've sold in less than 3 months, and they raised close to 1,000 crores. The second big name was Adani Green. The promoter entity sold 3% equity to Qatar Investment Authority, and they've raised close to 4,100 crores in that block deal. Inox Wind, the promoter sold equity worth 300 crores. There was Shivalik Biometal, promoter sold stake worth 300 crores. Minta Corp, another interesting name where PIH Capital sold its entire 5%. It was a clean out trade. They raised close to 330 crores. 361, which is ex-IFL Wealth. Even there was a large deal. Private equity investor sold stake worth 200 crores. Vikaji Foods, again, Lighthouse, which is a private equity, they sold stake worth 180 crores. And Radiant Cash was today's block where there was a 5% equity changing hands. Looks to me like private equity was a seller in that block as well. So if you look at two cash management companies, which is CMS Info and Radiant Cash, in both the companies, private equity sold big time. So 21% in CMS Info, and now today in Radiant Cash 5%. So big blocks, over $1 billion done. But if this week was big, I guess next week could be even bigger, because that's the pipeline which people are talking about, that there could be large blocks as well coming next week as well.
For some of these companies, it's interesting, right? Because as the performance improves, shareholders get very happy, like, wow, things are turning around. And suddenly you'll see the big investor coming in there and saying, okay, I'm cashing out.
So then what do you do?
I spoke to a lot of investors, buy sides, PE guys who are selling and who are buying as well, right? It's a very mixed view. A lot of people ask me whether this is a sign of a peak out. I don't think that's a real answer. That's a straight answer to it. There are a lot of compulsions for PE guys. There are a lot of opportunities for funds and look at CMS Info, 21%, all bid by the best of the blue chip, FI investors. So, it's a very mixed feedback on how to read this block data and whether these are signs of peaking out. But everybody's got its own compulsion to buy and to sell as well.
Okay, well, let's do one thing. Let's take a short commercial break on that note, but lots more coming up on the other side, so don't go anywhere.